Myself,
Ooh.
since nobody didn't want to get this last pan, I'm going to bless this beautiful young lady. She's going to give us a first time review.
Oh, very good. Very, very good.
What it taste like?
It's very good.
Does it taste like anything you ever had in your life?
Mm-mm.
No? Hell no?
Mm-mm.
Taste that juice. We want to get a first time review for everything. You can sit it down, honey. I'll hold it for you. You got a whole pan. I'll hold it for you. Get your juice at the top. Hurry up. For the.
That's very good. What is that?
That's beat it up. That's something special. Don't choke yourself.